Okay, class, welcome to the part 3 and final part of Lab 5. This should only take a couple of seconds here. But we have all of our stuff ready, right? We have everything. We have our counties right here, our shapefile information in there. One thing we can do is just go right here to just symbology classify. You can just kind of double check, right? So there's only one value right there. There should be about 4 values from 45,000 to 60,000, and there's only one value. Yeah, actually, most of the values should be in between this 30,000 and 45,000. So you can just kind of check this here and there just to make sure that's right. But yeah, pretty much most of these are in these different shades of orange. So most people in this county make somewhere between $30,000 to $45,000 a year, where there's a couple places that do better, and in the urban areas, it is less than that. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to do here, and not all of y'all need to do this, but depending on where your map is, if you're in Texas, you should probably do it. Go to. I'll bring this over, just so you can see a little bit better. Oh, here we go. That's why we're losing it. So go right here and then go to Layers, Properties, and then Coordinate System, Predefined, Projected Coordinate System. And for North Carolina, there's really not a good state system to use. So I'm just going to keep it as is. But if you're working in Texas, you can take the Texas centric map, or you can do one and do the Alberts. Here, if you're doing Mississippi, there's a bunch of these here. So if you happen to be using a state like this, there are state systems that are better. I wouldn't use state plane; that may throw it off. But we can use state systems. So if you're using Texas, be sure to use one of these Texas statewide mapping systems right here. That one's the best. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to do, and I'm not going to go through much of this with you, but since you've already done everything here, you have all the necessary stuff, right? We go here to Layout View. Let's switch it up. This is in Landscape mode. Let's put it in Landscape mode. Dunk. Okay. So we have our map. We can mess with our map. And I want to make sure you guys add all the necessary elements. So a north arrow, a title, who created it, some text about what it is, a legend, and a scale. And once you've saved this and exported this as a PDF, you can turn it in to me. This will conclude Lab 5 of Choropleth mapping. If you have any questions, please let me know. Best of luck.